Hey friends, if you wish to download and install the Microsoft Basic Display Adapter, then please watch this video. Now, I would have said that you can download it from Intel or your brand's website, but that is not the case with the basic adapter, and I'll tell you the reason. The basic adapter, if it's not present in the system, you will not be able to view the monitor at all. So it has to be in the system even if there is no other adapter. Search for Device Manager and open the Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. This one, the one on the top, is the basic one, the AMD Radeon graphics one, or it could be the Intel basic adapter one. So right click on it and then select update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. Fine.